How to make your PC faster with 2 simple steps. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Click Run. Type Services.MSC and click Enter. Scroll down until you see Windows Search, and just click Windows Search. Then move to Windows Search and click Stop the service. Again go back to Windows Search, right-click, and then click Properties. Look for Startup Type and click Automatic. Delayed Start. Look for Disabled and click it. Click Apply and then click OK. So close all these tabs. Go back and click the Windows Start button. Look for the Control Panel and click it. Go to the search bar and type Folder, then click Enter. Look for Folder Options and click it. Click View. Then select Always Show Icons, never thumbnails. Unselect Display File icon on thumbnails. Click Apply and OK, and now you are done. Now your PC and run faster. However, if you want to know more about your PC or laptop with no-cost strategies or tips, I have included recommended videos for you in the description box to help you with your PC or laptop's performance. Comment anything that you didn't understand, so that I can make a video about it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to Mr. UG Money, like and share for more notifications.